Hello friends, this is KD and you are watching Learning and Sharing with KD. In this video, we are going to see one of the new feature released in Visual Studio Code, that is remote tunnel. So how to use it? Just click on Accounts tab and here you will find turn on remote tunnel access. Just click on it. It will ask sign in with GitHub. Just sign in with your GitHub account and give the access. So allow extension to open this URL. Just click on open. It is signing GitHub with Visual Studio Code for using remote tunnel option, and starting remote tunnel over here you can easily see for the desktop user. Yes, our remote tunnel access is enabled for this user. To access this remote tunnel through browser, just copy the browser link to clipboard and share with your friends to access this remote tunnel remotely from anywhere. Just copy this URL and share with your friends. Now see the magic. It will open remote tunnel in our browser. It is now syncing our repository through GitHub. It will take some time. Now it is connecting to the desktop, syncing the repository in the browser itself. Now you can see the code is synced and now our remote tunnel is active. So let's see the magic of remote tunnel. Now just observe whatever I am typing in my remote tunnel, it is get reflected in our remote Visual Studio Code from where we have created the remote tunnel. So here I will just declare one variable temp data equal to 10. Just observe our Visual Studio Code. It directly reflect the code in the remote Visual Studio Code where we have shared the remote tunnel. So like this way you can use remote tunnel. And if you want to turn off, okay, click on remote access. Here you can see the document for get started for vscode tunnel URL. If you want to see the logs, you can see log from here, and here is the option to turn off the remote tunnel access. So just click on it. It will ask, do you want to turn off remote tunnel access? Just click on yes. Now just refresh the browser. Whatever the code from now, so once remote tunnel is turned off, the user whom with you have shared the remote tunnel link cannot edit our code remotely. You can see when I have turned off the remote tunnel, it is showing connecting to the desktop. So he is not able to edit our code remotely now and use benefit of this new feature. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.